So hey guys, let's do this truck done. So let's start doing the job, make it done, and it's gonna paint it after. Let's go. Okay, let's gonna do the brake system here, the rear end. So let's finish this job. So taking this rotor out here, it's pretty seized out. Onto here, I took the lug nuts off already, so I just need to bang out this pretty seized out there. Even the backing plate's rotten here. So right here, just gonna bang it. Show you guys. See this. The inner side of the rotor is rotten. I mean, previous owner of this didn't look at it after. See, it's all the way to the inside of the rotor. It's eating the whole rotor out there and over left. Look at this caliper here, seized out here too. That's caliper. I can even compress it. So the calipers are seized out. Two calipers on this seized out. And you can see here, that's the back of the rotor. Holy moly. So let's finish whacking it out. I'm gonna move this so I need to lay down here, walk this from the back. There you go. It started to come out, and walk this one too. Whew. Big job. There you go. Right there. Look at that. Whew. Look at the rotor chewed up there. See? Even the park brake system is seized out too, so I need to take up the whole park brake system. Wow. This job is an expensive job. I need to buy the whole two calipers at the back. Need to buy this park brake system here. It looks like it's dry here, so I think the axle seal is good. So I just need to take this out, take the axle out, and then replace the park brake system here and the backing plate, and sandblast the whole thing here and make it look nicer. Take off some more rust here. Wow. So the one holding this axle is a floating axle, so it's only 8 bolts, 19mm socket, and we can pull that axle out. So let's do that. Rusty. Wow. Wow. Okay guys, let's gonna pull it out. Yeah, there. There we go. You can see here it's very dirty. And now we can take this ring here and the pin. We're gonna use the special socket to take this knot here. Oh guys, right here there's a ring clip on this, so we're gonna pick this out. See that ring clip there? See you guys. Right here there's a ring clip. It's hard to capture in the camera while holding my camera. See that? See? So there's a curve, the end of the clip there's a curve. So the curved one is facing to the front, and without the curved one going inside of the pin here, slider pin. See that? So we're gonna use a magnet with that to take this off, but I need to pick that off. I'm gonna put my clip here for now. So I'm gonna slide this out here. I'm gonna pick this like a dowel, slider dowel, right there. Went out. Now I'm gonna use my magnet. To pull that out. Right there. So right on. That's the one. Hard to see. Okay. But that's it, right? Now it looks like the nut is loose. See the nut? I can turn it by my hand. So that means while putting this hub assembly, you don't need to tie it down. Just it's a hand tight only. I'm gonna show you that after. It's you need to torque this one to 50 foot-pounds while you're putting this on, and after that you have to loosen it like a quarter turn while turning this hub. And I think that's it. You need to make sure this one will freely turn while you're done tightening this by hand. Make sure there's no play too. So I think that's it. You don't need to tighten too much because you wreck the seal and the bearing. Okay, that's it. I'm gonna turn this. As you can see here, I can turn with my hand. I'm gonna count this one, how many turns. Start from that area where the pin goes. See that slot there? From there, I need to count one, then one revolution, how many revolution, and once I put it on, I know how many turns. So that's one trick there. So from there, I should put a scratching mark there. Okay, didn't matter too much. Here you can put markings. Okay, that's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna put the markings on that just to you know, it helps to track. But you guys, you don't need to. As long as you have to torque that for the right specification and then loosen a quarter turn and tighten it again with your hand with a socket after, and you're good to go. Mine is just to help, you know, if you're first time you're doing this, just to help you putting it back together, you know, the correct procedure. See that? I can turn easily with my finger. See? I don't need a socket to take this off, actually, you know. See? It's easy. I'm gonna put a marking there. How many revolution from here? Okay, here. So I'm just gonna put a white marker here using my touch-up paint here. White. You don't need to do this, but just for the first time fixing this vehicle, it helps you right there. So I'm gonna turn that from there, how many revolution when I take it off. It helps to track when I'm putting this on, but you don't need to follow when you put it, because the new ones are maybe it's more this one's loose now because it's used. Give a slack because I don't know how many times this one you change the seal. I'm not sure if this is original. Maybe somebody works on it before, so I can tell it's freely, you know. And this one I can turn it with my finger. So now I'm gonna count this one. So if you're putting a new seal of this, maybe this is not kind of a little bit tighten a little bit. This one's pretty loose, but it's good because there's a C-clip. So make sure you put your dowel pin here and the C-clip when you're putting this on. So I'm gonna count this out. I don't really need a socket for this. I just need a socket when I'm putting this on after. So I'm gonna count that one. Let's see. I'm gonna use my that's one revolution. One revolution there. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, not coming out yet, 11, so if you do slowly down here, 12, so it looks like it's falling off, 12, it's not touched yet, 12, okay, 12 and a half. So guys, 12 and a half turn. So it came out. So my markings there is, it's on the halfway down the lower bottom of the ring. That's it. When I put it on, so I know how many turns, so I don't go over more than that, or I don't go less than that. So that way there, you can make a tighten it by hand and loosen, tighten, loosen, and turning the hub while torquing it, and then loosen the quarter turn and tighten it by hand again, and you're good to go. Put the dowels in and put the clips. That's the special nut, okay, for this Chevrolet Silverado 2500 HD. Right on, guys. So it's gonna pull the hub assembly right now. go. So it looks like the seal is still pretty good. Down here, as you can see, that's the seal there. Looks like it's pretty good, but I need to replace that anyway. This is the new one. There guys, the ring left here. Look at that. There you go. I think that's it. So this ring, the inside of the hub, that's, I think it's the cover of the oil seal. Just like that, I guess. Good to know. Okay, now guys, I can take off this part brake assembly here. Same thing as the other side. Right on. So that's it guys, that's the spindle here, and I need to replace those part brake system. But this is the one that is the ring, cover ring for the axle seal here. That's the one I took off here. So once you pull the hub out, it left here. So I just put it back around the axle seal. I think I'm gonna replace the axle seal. Maybe I'm not sure if the new axle seal will come with this metal ring here. We'll see. So I'm just gonna keep it for now here. Okay, let's finish this job. I'll take everything apart there in the park brake system and replace the whole thing, backing plate. I'm gonna sandblast a little bit there, and it's gonna be good and nice after.